How to log in Xgody GPS. To log into your Xgody GPS device, follow these general steps. 1. Power on your Xgody GPS device and ensure it is connected to a stable power source or fully charged. 2. On the main screen, look for the Settings or Menu option. It may be represented by an icon with gears or 3 horizontal lines. 3. Navigate to the Settings or System Settings option using the arrow keys or touchscreen. 4. In the Settings menu, look for an option related to account or a login. It might be labeled as a user account, my account, or a login. 5. Select the account or login option. You may be prompted to enter a username or email address associated with your Xgody GPS account. 6. After entering your username or email address, you will be prompted to enter the corresponding password. Use the device's keyboard or touchscreen to input your password. 7. Once you have entered your username and password, select the Login or Sign In button. If you encounter any issues during the login process, contact support for assistance. Link in description box.